Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Hope everyone's doing well. Okay, today's vlog I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken palaak, and I've got 4 onions here, medium size I've cut. I've got 3 chopped tomatoes, and I've got 3 chilies and a garlic and ginger paste. I've got some chicken there, which is 1 chicken there, and then I've got a handful of coriander, and I've got some spring onions, and I also got some palaak there as well. Okay, next step is I'm going to add the onions in, the ginger and garlic paste, tomatoes, and the 3 chopped chilies, green chilies, and the palaak, which is spinach, inside the handi. And then I'm going to add some salt as well. Salt will be to your taste. So I've added about 1.5 teaspoons. And then I'm going to add some water in it as well. So sari palaak jehdi hai na gali jaye. Maybe like 1 or 2 glasses. And I'm just going to leave it on the gas for like half an hour. I'm just going to check now how far the handi has got up to. So just, mix it around to see if everything is all doing good. Also, take the skins off the actual tomatoes as well. Now, come to the next stage, I'm going to add some oil inside here. So, just going to mix this up now. Next stage is I'm going to add some chilies, 1.5 teaspoons. Also going to add some kasuri methi as well. So I'm going to add the kasuri methi inside the handi. Now that's about 1.5 teaspoons. I'm just going to add some spring onions and some coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And that's the rest of the coriander. I'm just going to mix this up for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to add the chicken inside here. Changi tarah andi buni hai guys. As you can see, look, sari andi on sahi karke puji hai. 15-20 minute laye. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Fir takriban 20-25 minute takriban lag jasa na jada na chicken nu bunna. Look guys, andi is coming to an end now, so I'm just going to add a little bit water inside it. I'm going to put it on low heat now. Guys, this is the final look of the handi. Handi sari pakki hai, mashallah, bahut hi achhi banti handi. Bahut hi acha taste handi da, bahut hi achhi hai. Dekho rang bhi sahi chade handi nu. Please do try this out, guys. It's really, really nice and tasty. Guys, so please do like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.